Sonar sweep complete. The torch arm is intact.
Roger that.
ROV team, proceed with caution. We have contact on the main cable.
We are approaching the Statue of Liberty's face. The 7-ray crown spikes are massive.
The separation point shows extreme stress fractures.
Confirmed. Reading high levels of corrosion here at the shoulder.
Final collection of Statue of Liberty debris.
The monument must be raised in 15 sections. Head and crown, upper torso, lower torso, right arm with torch, left arm.
Cable 7 secure.
Tensioning lines now. We have upward movement.
Confirming stabilization before ascent.
Turret. Lower robe sections of Statue of Liberty beginning rise. Flowing garment extending to feet. Multiple copper panels.
Examining Statue of Liberty's shoulder construction.
Modeled after Bartololi's own mother, the statue embodies the classical Roman features of the goddess Libertas.
Its severity levels, planning restoration priorities, structural concerns versus cosmetic issues.
Steady now, lower her down easy. Lower it slowly, watch the tablet. All right, secure the starboard side. Tension binders engaged. Tighten the chains on the left side. All right, she's secure now.
Finalizing Statue of Liberty restoration budget, estimated $450 million, 7-year timeline, funding from government, donations, international contributions.
All right, clear the deck. We're moving starboard. Watch the rotation.
Copy that, moving starboard.
The elbow is secured, ready for tension.
Roger that. Engaging the winch now.
Reinforcing flowing robe sections of Statue of Liberty. Multiple copper panels forming draped fabric appearance, securing loose panels, preventing tears during recovery.
The corrosion here is extensive. These saddles are failing.
It goes much deeper than we thought. Look at the pylon connection.
This requires immediate action.
Inspecting broken shoulder joint where Statue of Liberty's right arm separated, examining copper skin tears, internal framework damage, and planning reattachment during restoration.
See the corrosion here near the rivet?
Yeah, that needs a high priority flag on the archive.
Studying galvanic corrosion between the Statue of Liberty's copper skin and iron framework, the electrochemical reaction accelerated underwater, planning insulation improvements.
The 1886 iron fractured at only 150 megapascals.
The modern equivalent handles much higher stress.
Complete laser scanning of all Statue of Liberty sections. The stress fractures here are worse than anticipated.
We need to adjust. The corrosion around this saddle joint is worse than expected.
Agreed. The integrity of these secondary supports is compromised. Creating numbering system for all 350 copper panels of Statue of Liberty, matching to original construction drawings, tracking each panel through restoration.
Examining Statue of Liberty's left arm structure, elbow joint intact, forearm supporting tablet weight, copper skin over iron framework, and checking connection points.
The genius here is in these flexible saddles. They allow the copper skin to expand and
Cataloging all 350 individual copper sheets comprising Statue of Liberty skin, numbering each panel, documenting damage, planning repairs, historical preservation priority.
The digital model shows the precise curvature for panel 50.
We must cross-reference that with the original 1886 blueprint for accuracy.
Cataloging all iron framework components, central pylon sections, secondary supports, saddles, connection.
Welding internal support framework inside Statue of Liberty's upper torso section, reinforcing chest and shoulders, securing copper skin panels, preventing collapse during ascent.
Restoring upper and lower torso sections, chest waist, robe details, copper panel repairs, framework connections, structural integrity.
Efforts. Installing structural supports in Statue of Liberty's lower torso and robe sections, reinforcing waist area, hip structure, flowing robe folds preserved, preventing copper sheet separation.
It has to look like 1886.
But structural integrity requires we keep the patina.
We will preserve the green patina while ensuring it is structurally sound.
The data confirms the galvanic corrosion requires a full replacement with stainless steel.
That will double the budget. Are we sure this is necessary?
Fabricating new central pylon for Statue of Liberty. 4-leg iron tower design, stainless steel construction, maintaining original load paths.
Creating new secondary framework supports, bars connecting pylon to copper skin, stainless steel replacing iron, preserving flexibility for copper expansion.
Restoring 350 individual copper panels of Statue of Liberty, straightening damaged panels, repairing tears,
Manufacturing replacement copper panels for severely damaged sections, matching original thickness and copper composition, minimizing replacements to preserve authenticity.
Assembling copper skin panels to new stainless steel framework, using insulated saddles, allowing thermal expansion and preventing galvanic corrosion.
Engineering new saddles connecting framework to copper skin, Teflon insulation preventing galvanic corrosion, maintaining copper movement capability.
Preserving green copper patina on restored panels, protecting natural weathering, chemical stabilization, maintaining iconic green appearance.
Restoring 7 crown rays, each spike 9 feet tall, hollow copper construction, internal supports, symbolic representation of continents and seas.
Restoring feet section, sandal details, toe features, copper craftsmanship, preparing for broken shackle reattachment.
Building new spiral staircase inside Statue of Liberty, 354 steps from pedestal to crown.
Installing new ladder to crown observation area, final ascent segment, safety features, maintaining original access route concept.
Watch the clearance on that beam. All right, easy now, bring it down slow.
Installing environmental control systems inside Statue of Liberty, dehumidification preventing corrosion, temperature control, preserving structure.
Applying protective coating to Statue of Liberty's green patina, stabilizing copper carbonate layer, preventing further corrosion while maintaining color.
Installing new windows in Statue of Liberty's crown, 25 observation windows, impact-resistant glass, maintaining views of harbor and city.
Patina.
and preparing for rededication ceremony.
Studying Statue of Liberty's robe construction, classical Roman toga design, copper panels creating fabric flow illusion, artistic metalworking techniques.
Opening spiral staircase for testing, crown access verification, ensuring safe visitor experience, 354 steps ready for public.
This rededication ceremony is being broadcast worldwide. Millions are watching as Lady...
Mr. Dubois, it is an honor to be here, continuing the legacy of 1886.
Welcome to Liberty Island. We are thrilled to have the French experts join the team.